Obviously, what determines how much money you have left is your income and your costs, right? Let's talk about costs. I'm going to narrow it down this way. Assuming you're not spending money on random shit like taking girls out for extravagant dinners and the latest Gucci sneakers, there's no time or there's no need to waste time obsessing over all your costs, right? If you cut out the coffee you have every day, that is not going to change your net worth. Let's do the math, right? If every day I spend £5 on coffee, let's assume it's 300 days in a year. It's not, but let's assume it's that. That is £1,500, right? That is not changing your situation in life. And if it is, then stop watching this video and go seek some sort of financial assistance. Spend your time trying to find how you can make money from different streams of income. Also, I would say try and reduce your fixed costs, right? There's no need for you to try and live in an expensive 2-bed in Canary Wharf if you cannot afford it. And how do you know what you can afford? There's different videos I'll tell you the different rent rules. Basically, for me, my rent, well, my mortgage in this case, is not more than 50% of my income, right? And my mortgage is around £1,900. Also, my car payment is £500, both monthly and insurance, right? So together, mortgage 1,900, car payments £500, that's 2,400. That is still not up to half of my income, right? So, and those are my biggest costs, if you like. So again, don't give into lifestyle inflation. For me, even though my salary is going to increase next year, obviously my mortgage is 2-year fixed. That's going to stay the same. Next year, my lease on the car expires and I can afford to get whatever car I want. G-Wagon, Range Rover, I can do it, but there's no point, right? I'd rather spend my money trying to accumulate assets. So even when I can decide to get something better, what's really the point, right? Who am I really trying to impress? No one. No one gives a heck because at the end of the day, no one really knows if you own that G-Wagon or you just rented it out for the day to flex or it's your dad's, right? So get yourself a car that can get from A to B. When you can afford comfortably a Bentley or Rolls Royce or a Urus, then go buy that shit, right? But there's no point trying to do fake luxury with a Mercedes, right?